I have control over what and how is happening around me. Rubbish bin. There is no reason to eat food just because it is there. Eating slowly allows me to appreciate the food I'm eating. When I am full, I will stop eating and save the rest for later. I am learning to. I trust my body's signals and will stop eating when I'm full. I will only eat when I am physically hungry. Foods I am able to access. In social situations, I eat to satiety, even if others overeat. I enjoy each mouthful of food to the fullest. When I eat, I savor each bite. I slow down and take time to eat so I can enjoy my food more. Being mindful whilst eating is easy. Part of your psyche. The more you do it, the more it will sink in. I'm now going to count from 5 to 1, and when I reach 1, you will have integrated 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I hope that was good for you all and that you're motivated to take the sheep home with you and maybe stick them up around the house or just do them as part of your morning routine or before you go to bed. It doesn't matter when you do them, maybe before you eat can be helpful because then you're reminding yourself of what to do. It's got to fit in with your life. So I hope that you've gained a few skills tonight from all of these things, and we're now going to enjoy some amazing regretless desserts. And then you can ask Amy and I questions whilst you're eating. Thank you. That was amazing. Maybe we just do a little bit more talking before the dessert comes. sorry, I forgot.
So, if you enjoyed Carla and me, and you might have noticed that we have combined to do a metabolic makeover low carb program. So, if you're interested, we've got a special for you tonight. If you sign up within this week of this tonight, then we're going to throw in an extra coaching session and an extra box building session. So, what it consists of is you can take the flyer from the table here, where we've designed this program so you can package a whole series that will guide you through improve your metabolism over a few months for $999, and the total value of this program is $1,400. So for $999, you can have a 45-minute consultation with me and a 30-minute consultation with me, and there will be no out-of-pocket with the Medicare rebates. And you get 4 sessions with Carla for 50 minutes, so you can get lots of support to guide you through a metabolic program to help you going into changing lifestyle. And we're going to throw in a complete guide to low carb course as well as low carb pro fortnightly program. All good. So if you are keen for this special, if you sign up, if you're a participant tonight and you sign up this week, we're going to throw in an extra box building session after that, and then Carla's going to have an extra consultation. So you can get this flyer from the table, and the specials at the back. And if you say you're a participant, then you can get this special. Hope this is interesting, and if you think anyone might benefit from this program, please let them know, and we'll offer that as well.
So yeah, it's not just you guys, but if you tell any of your friends, if they contact us within a week, you can get this program. And I think I love working with Avi because I think we make a really good team, and we talk to each other about our patients, so we can kind of, Avi can prescribe the lifestyle and I can help the implementation. And so I think it works to have as many people as possible around you to support you when you're making a big change, like a lifestyle change. So, and as you probably gathered from tonight, we're not just all about food, we're very much about all the pillars of healthy lifestyle, including things like deep breathing and meditation. So, it's all sorts of elements. It's not just about food, but that's kind of the core. It's all about making over your metabolism and making you be the healthiest you can be. So, yeah, let us know if you want to work with us or if you know anyone else who might be interested.
We'll let you eat your dessert, and then you can think of what questions, and then we'll come back, 10 minutes, and then you can...
Yeah, probably fairly soon.
Fairly soon, so maybe 7 minutes. But you can keep eating while we Oh, okay. I want to just very briefly talk about when we get out. Alright?
Yes, it's exciting. Is that going to be the cover? Yes, it was a guy.
Yeah? Do you like that? Great photo. It is coming on. She gave ours to the...
Oh, so it's